countless hours under hospital's glow, through endless nights saving lives that flow. These walls have seen my tears and my smiles, in crisis moments feeling fragile, fragile child.
Trying to find a break, a moment of rest amidst the chaos, striving to do my best. Thoughts are ceiling in late night cries, saving souls beneath the sterile skies. Battling fatigue, granting one more breath, searching for calm in the echoes of being dead.
Machines beep softly in the quiet halls, under fluorescent lights my shadow stalls. Beyond the mass tide eyes reflect the weight of life, tragedies we can't deflect.
Compassion fuels this love to fight, holding on tight through every longest night. Thoughts are ceiling in late night cries, saving souls beneath the sterile skies. Battling fatigue, granting one more breath, searching for calm in the echoes of being dead. Searching for meaning in every life, this was redeeming. Find solace in the struggle's sun. Carry on, keep holding on. Dust the ceiling in late night cries, saving souls beneath the sterile skies. Battling fatigue, granting one more breath, searching for calm